I'm in the process of drawing a a sort of a camshaft here, just for to demonstrate the copy and move feature. Convert entities, brings that through the line, exit sketch, and instead of making this 15, I'm going to make it 30. What the fuck? Goddamn piece of shit. 30. I might need that right now. Fuck it. I'll just do it this way. Bring another extrude on this surface here. Still got that sketch visible. Convert entities. I want to. Oops. No, that's not what I want to do. I don't know what it's selected. Do you? Fuck it, I'll just select them all individually, damn it. Okay. Alright, exit sketch, and I think I made this one 15, so that's fine. I'll repeat that. And I'll make another extrusion on this thing, and go convert entities, and bring this sumbitch in. So, and go extrude that by 15 as well. Okay, so anyway, basically I made a solid body here. This part, right? Okay. Now, I don't know why they don't have that fucking move copy command, but like I said, it's pretty useful. I'm going to try to do this before I forget, because I saw this last night, but I didn't make a video about it because I didn't have anything to work with. Okay, so let's go to Insert and just find something with the copy command in it. Okay. Because there are a couple different methods of doing this. You can move copy, but the coolest one, because you can move copy and just translate it, and then rotate the parts, because we're going to create a rotated camshaft. So you can go into the rotate command if you want, and do it that way. But we're going to start with the rotate command, and we want to create a copy. We want to create 2 copies, or 3, I don't know, however it works. Let's see. But there's, of course, another rotate command I think that we could use. But we want to go in degrees. It looks like you can translate and rotate at the same time. That's interesting. At any rate, I want to make this, let's see, pay attention to your axis. Okay, we want to rotate it about the z-axis here in this case, so I think that's what we want to put, 120. But, let's just see what the hell that does. No. We don't want to... I don't know, hold on. Okay, again, I was being a douchebag. I was thinking this thing was selected, but it's not. Oh good, enter finally worked. Bodies to copy is the first thing you gotta select. It wasn't selected. But anyway, I can go copy, and then create 2 or 3 views. Now on rotate, okay, it actually asks you to select a, because you got all these confusing things here. Let me see if I can just do it this way out of curiosity. I don't think it'll work though. No, it does. I mean, it you know, it rotated it around I guess the centroid of the body, and that works, you know. But you can actually go select an axis too to rotate around. And now if you notice what was kind of cool, you know, by selecting on this, you know, it aligned the view. But at any rate, you know, another way of doing it though is I could select an edge to rotate about, like that for example. Okay, and then I could choose 120 degrees, and you know, and that's how he did it. And he did it so these faces wouldn't lay on top of each other, but they kind of weren't anyway. Anyway, I think, yeah, I got to do it twice. Hold on. Shit. Okay, I guess I fucked it up. I don't know. Let me try to hit. Yeah, no, thank God. Okay. So, you know, that gives us a bunch of parts. Now, hopefully these are multiple bodies. Yeah, they are. Okay, so we can select these bodies one at a time, you know, as you can observe. But I'll hit enter again so that we go back into our move and copy. But, you know, we want to copy these bodies one at a time, and we want to, you know, they're already rotated, so we don't have to worry about it in this case. But basically, you know, this kind of works in a similar way to adding assemblies. So I can actually make relationships, you know, between these various parts, you know, as if I was making mates, you know, in the you know, in a you know, in an assembly. So and let's go ahead and do one here too, between this and this. What, a concentric relationship? Let's see. I guess that didn't work. Oh, I'm not moving the right body, damn it. So I guess I got to move, you know, move them all in separate operations. So let me select this body now, and then we'll, you know, add a mate to it between this and this, and then make them again. Oops, let me go add and make them concentric. Okay, and voila. Okay, so we gotta, you know, using the move and copy commands, you know, we managed to do this. Now, of course, if we you know, to choose the combine, whatever the hell that was. Hold on. You know, they really, I should go ahead and make a damn fucking toolbar or something that has all the multi-body options on it, because this is pretty annoying. Now I probably lost it again. Yep, lost it again. Now right here, combine. Okay, and we want to add them together. So bodies to combine. It should already have them selected. They sure as hell look selected. Nope. I don't know if that's going to work, but yeah, it worked with these two, but you know, we hadn't I want to combine that with that. Thank God enter key worked. I was able to go back to it. Okay, we want to combine this with this. Hopefully it works. Okay, there we go. Alright, so anyway, that's created a single solid part, you know, as you can tell, you know, out of this. So we got, you know, camshaft here, so pretty cool. So I guess I can go in and like rotate it. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Shit. Find somewhere that has that move copy in it. Okay. Do the rotate option. Where is it? I don't want to copy, I just want to rotate it. Okay. I guess I can grab this axis. Anyway, so you know, you can kind of see how it rotates, sort of. I'm not going to rotate it. Anyway, so it's kind of neat. But, you know, like I said, you know, I'm not in any particular view, but I can come, you know, click on this little thing so I can get different views, you know, automatically, so that's kind of neat. And of course we can just go move it if you want, and man, I swear to God they need that move copy command here. Say make assembly, no. Really reluctant to create my own toolbar, because if I get a job, you know, and I'm in an interview, well, you know, if I have a custom toolbar, I'll be used to that. You know, I'd rather not be used to any particular toolbar. Son of a bitch. What the fuck? I mean, this is just fucking lunacy. Okay. But yeah, you can, you know, like I said, take apart, you know, and just move it. How do I keep getting into this? I guess I canceled out of the last time. Anyway, you can choose, you know, like I said, an axis you want to move it on, but again, I can just flat out move it in the delta X, Y, you know, locations, you know, all I want. So, but parts can be moved, you know, but you can, you know, select a particular axis too, to move it in, apparently, but you know, or like I said, move it along, you know, a given line on the part or something like that. So anyway, I'm not going to move it.